Good morning, Caroline. This is Frank. I talked to you this week and I promised to send over a video to you and your team on some things that we can do to increase our web presence. And as I was going through the site, and you know what? I think I happen to know your VP Gordon personally. But correct me if I'm wrong, if that's the wrong company. But I think he works for you guys. Anyways, let me just go through a few things. This is actually quite an interesting dig. So I'll be walking through what the competitors are doing and three implementable steps. I shared this with Gordon before, but I think it's worthwhile for a refresher. All right, so let's just go into a case study scenario. I find that this is the best in demonstrating the point. When I type in the keyword water damage restoration Vancouver, which most people will be doing when they need the service, 30% will actually click on one of the three mentioned here. And it's interesting that Belfour or Onsite is not featured here. But anyways, these guys are up here. And if they don't click on that, they'll probably come down here and start clicking away down here. And as you see, Incredible Restoration is ranked here and here. All right, so they're getting why? They're getting a ton of reviews, right? They're getting a ton of customers just because they're ranked both there. This is backed up by the data that they get a whopping 114 traffic per month just for being on those spots. Okay, so that's what the data is showing, and you guys currently are sitting at 55 traffic, which is not bad. This is great traffic too. Okay, so couple of quick things. The reason that they are ranked on top, let's reverse engineer this, is because number one, the content. So we can do a quick exercise. Let me see if you can see what I'm typing here. All right, so let's do water damage restoration, water damage repair company, Vancouver. Let's see the Vancouver. So 9 occurrences with Vancouver. Water damage, you have 42 occurrences. And let's do the same exercise over here. You have 2, and then Vancouver, 0, right? So it's all about, I'm not spelling that right. Vancouver, you have 3. So it's good that there are keywords on the main page, but we want more of them. And we want, on average, I would say the best experience that we've had with my business collaborators and clients are about 1500 words. So there's a lot of words here. You guys can do the same. This is a very powerful element to have on the website, to have a scroll of different testimonials, because most of the time people will say, you'll mention your name, you'll also mention the service location. So this is a great way, just by including this on your site, maybe down here, it will add a lot of content to your site automatically. Okay, so that's number one is content. Number two is the referring domains and the number of backlinks. As you see, they have 27 different individual website, giving them a total of 73 backlinks. You guys have 25 giving 83. So continue to work on this. I believe Gordon mentioned that somebody was onboarded to do this. So we would like to see more pluses for the backlinks, and it should be better. But it's interesting how it was this high at one point. So maybe he disavowed some toxic backlinks. I'm not sure. But anyways, this is continuously to be something that Google looks at. Consider them as votes. If you're trying to be on the Strata Council, the more votes you get, the more likely that you will be entrusted with the role. So same idea with websites. And lastly, I wanted to tackle would be the actual Google Business Profile. I'm using this a lot as a, uh, sorry, let me just go back a page. Let's actually open up a new page here. So sorry, let's do Surrey, Surrey water restoration, and you'll see that Incredible is up there again. They're really on par with their SEO game. Anyway, so what happens, how do you get featured on here? There are a couple of things. So first, you want to be configured properly with your business category. So one way to do that is clicking into them and kind of reverse engineer what kind of service have they listed themselves. So copy exactly what the top ranking competitor is doing. And then we want to be updating our pictures regularly, if not every couple of days, at least once a week, and then register to as many business citations as possible. So that includes Yellow Pages, Yelp, all these business directories using the exact same name, address, and phone number. Okay, then you should see yourself up within 2 to 3 months. And if you guys happen to have somebody with an address in different location that you want to tackle, Abbotsford, Surrey, Vancouver, then register a business in that location using the address. You can switch off the address so people don't see it, but at least you get that business profile using that address, right? And then you can be like Incredible Restoration, where you get seen in multiple different places, and we'll rank them all. Okay, so we talked about three things today. Um, have more content on the homepage with keywords that people are searching for. Continue to work on the backlinks. If we want to compete with on-site, then we gotta build lots of backlinks. And then lastly, the citations. Okay, this is by far I think would be the easiest because it would just just some labor hours and pictures and whatnot, and you will see the results. All right, I'll leave it there, Caroline. Thank you very much for watching and sticking to the end. Take care. Have a wonderful day.